With its unique appearance, covered in scales made of keratin, it resembles a walking pine cone. Remarkably, when threatened, a pangolin can curl up into a tight ball, leaving its vulnerable underbelly shielded. These incredible creatures need our protection and conservation efforts to ensure their survival in the wild. The platypus, an extraordinary creature native to Australia, is a unique marvel of nature. Its duck-like bill is not only used for hunting, but it also houses electroreceptors that detect the electric signals emitted by prey underwater. Surprisingly, the platypus is one of the few mammals that lay eggs, making it a monotreme. To navigate its semi-aquatic lifestyle, the platypus has webbed feet and a streamlined body, enabling agile swimming and diving capabilities.